Hi everyone, this next song is dedicated to Dave and it's with love from Joanne. O, diba? Dave, if you're listening, umuwi ka na daw kasi miss na miss ka na ni Joanne. And I also want to say hi to Jason. Hoy, bestong, yung hopya ko, wag mong kalimutan, ha? And Kay, hi Mars. I finally finished the song. I hope you like it. Play it every morning para masaya, okay? And everyone, thank you so much for listening. We really appreciate it. We hope you like this new video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Mwah.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far.
You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say.
And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell.
You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday.
And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what my love can do. I am in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. And into this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. You're every song,
You're every song,
and I sing along,
and I sing along,
'cause you're my everything.